Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your microphone is not working on your PlayStation 4. So I'm just going to plug this in to my controller, and it should kick in automatically, but if it doesn't, we're going to have to investigate why it's not working. So we can hold down the PlayStation button right here and open up the side menu. Then if we go up to the top, there is an option for sound/devices. Then go to the right, and we got our controller headphones volume. So we can just increase this or decrease this if this is not loud enough right here. But we can go to output to audio headphones right here. And if we have all audio selected, this will be the chat audio and then also the game sound. If we just have chat audio selected, we will only hear our party chat and the game sound will come through our TV. So make sure you have that selected. Then we got mute game voice chat. Now if we have mute all microphones selected, we won't be able to hear ourselves speak. So if we go to this option now below it and we try talking, you can see nothing is going to be detected or picked up on our screen. So we got to make sure we are not accidentally muting our microphone. Now this could be for the in-game settings, but also on the microphone itself. So sometimes these little headset mics, they have a little mute button on them. Just make sure it's not muted, slide it to unmuted, or just try the opposite position. And make sure it's turned up all the way. So this one has like a volume option. Just go to the plus icon and just make sure it's turned up so you can actually hear it. So you can go to adjust microphone at any point in time, and you can see this is working now. Hello, hello. And just make sure it's in the good section. It's not too high or too low. And then we can go back and we can look at the additional options under here. Now, once we have everything set up, let's go over to settings. Going down to where it says devices, then go to audio devices, and we want to make sure the input and the output devices are selected to our headset. So the input device, you can see my controller is connected, and then the output device, this will be our speakers. So the first option is for your microphone, and then we can choose our TV or our headset. We got the controller options for the volume right here. We got output to headphones. And then if we have this option turned on, when you plug in your headset, it's going to automatically switch over to your headset. If you don't have this selected, your TV is going to be still the default option. So if you don't want to switch it over automatically, uncheck mark right there. So just look at that. Look at your headphones. Make sure you have it connected properly. Maybe it's not plugged in all the way to your controller. Maybe you have your mute on your headset somewhere. And just inspect that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.